thank you very much for God and my wife. God, because He opened the door for me. He is home. And I'd like to say thank you for my wife, because she left her life for me, for help. And thank you for everybody in here for support for these 3 years. And I hope we get some more support for the next 3 years. And thank you very much.